Google makes it easier to get products in the Shopping tab. Google is updating Search Console to simplify listing items in Google Shopping. Google makes it easier for e-commerce companies to obtain items in Search Results Shopping tab. Google Search Console now lets you display items in the Shopping tab without uploading a product feed or re-verifying your website. Search Console makes product listings easy. Here's how to do it. 1. Google is rolling out a new Search Console feature for websites' product structured data. 2. In Search Console, click Shopping tab Listings to link a Merchant Center account. 3. If you don't have a Merchant Center account, you'll be prompted to create one using a simplified sign-up process. 4. Using the simplified sign-up process, you can bypass several steps, such as verifying ownership of your site and submitting a product feed. 5. After connecting Merchant Center to Search Console, keep your structured data updated to rapidly list items.